Today I have to make a dozen dandelion muffins for McFlytrap. That may seem weird and gross to most of you, but in our world and in reality, they are delicious. If you're bold enough to try something different, watch me make dandelion muffins. Mix together 2 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt, and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. Make a well in the center. Whisk together a cup of milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. Pour the egg mixture into the well of the flour mixture and mix it all together. Stir in a 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. Then fold in 1 cup of dandelion petals. Fill the muffin tins 3/4 full and put it in the oven for 25 minutes in a 350 degrees preheated oven. Now that the muffins are done, time to give them to McFlytrap.